Personal branding is a hot topic these days, but most students do not understand it properly. You can be sure that your classmates, teachers, and fellow interns talk about you when you're not around, and personal branding is how you influence and manage what they say. Everyone has a personal brand, even you. It's what people say about you when you're not in the room. That's your actual personal brand. But how do you create a strong personal brand if you do not have much work or career experience? Unfortunately for you, like it or not, you're whoever Google says you are. The only way an employer or network you wish to influence will know what you've done or what you are doing now is if you tell them. With almost 800 million users worldwide and over 2 million users in Hong Kong, LinkedIn has taken ownership of the personal branding space and offers you an effective way to promote yourself to your target market and get hired fast. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer. I help senior executives, business owners, and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. At Workshop 11 in my LinkedIn for Business series, I will teach you how to build your personal brand using LinkedIn. You'll learn what personal branding is and why it's vital that you manage yours, how to create a profile of yourself that presents you professionally, how to leverage even limited working experience to present yourself powerfully, and how to start building your own personal brand using LinkedIn. To learn more, get in touch with me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.